Welcome to another video from MQLrobot EAS. In this episode, we'll walk through the structure and logic of the RSI Arbitrage Grid EA. Built with the no-code platform FXdreema, this expert advisor combines the relative strength index indicator with a grid-style arbitrage trading system. Its main goal is to capture opportunities when price imbalances occur, and manage trades using RSI thresholds to decide when to buy and sell. Core logic: the EA checks market conditions based on RSI values. When RSI crosses above the defined buy level, the system looks for opportunities to place buy trades. When RSI crosses below the sell level, it triggers sell positions. To avoid overtrading, the EA uses a distance filter in pips, ensuring that trades are only opened when price has moved a certain distance from previous entries. The EA works in groups. One group handles buy signals, another group manages sell signals. Each group includes conditions for entry, profit checking, and automatic closing of positions when the profit target or grid condition is met. Inputs and settings. From the constants, we can see several adjustable parameters: lot size, starting from a small fixed value, distance in pips, to control grid spacing. RSI, period, the calculation length of the indicator. RSI, buy and sell levels, thresholds that define overbought and oversold zones. Close profit target, to determine when to exit trades. These inputs make the EA flexible, allowing traders to fine-tune it according to market conditions and personal strategies. Strategy concept: the RSI Arbitrage Grid EA aims to benefit from both mean reversion and grid arbitrage logic. By combining RSI signals with grid-based entries, it attempts to capture profits from short-term fluctuations while gradually building positions as the market moves. This approach can be powerful but also carries significant risks. Grid trading, if not managed carefully, may lead to large drawdowns in strong trending markets. Risk and backtesting. Note, before using this EA on a live account, it is very important to understand the trading strategy and the risk of grid systems. Perform backtests with 99.9% tick data to evaluate performance. Apply strong risk management and money management rules. Remember, no EA guarantees profits, and results will depend on market conditions, settings, and discipline. Conclusion: the RSI Arbitrage Grid EA demonstrates how we can build a sophisticated trading robot using FXdreema without writing a single line of code. If you'd like to explore or download this EA, you can find it at MQLrobot.com. Don't forget to subscribe to MQLrobot EAS for more no-code EA builds, algorithmic trading strategies, and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and always trade safe.